Thompson said we don't need to do the project.
Wait, really? That's awesome. I was so stressed about that.
Yeah, he said no need to worry about it.
Wait, that means I can just relax.
Oh, it's almost time. Let's go to our class now. Let's go. Oh, okay.
So okay class, so I hope you are all making your progress about your project. So they are due on tomorrow. Wait, what? Alex! I thought we don't need to do that. I thought that's what you meant. No need to worry. Ah, I see the issue there. So when I said you don't have to worry, I meant that you should feel confident because you have all the resources, not that you don't have to do it.
Sorry, I should have asked clarification before telling you that.
Yeah, and I should have double checked instead of just assuming.
Oh, wanna help make our projects?
And next time, let's make sure our communication is purposeful.